Hello everyone, great to have your company here on Kalkine TV. I'm Rachel and you're watching the Buzzing Trends Show. Now, this year witnessed geopolitical tensions, inflation and interest rates rising and supply chain disruptions due to COVID-19. Now, while the ASX All Ordinaries saw a 4.5% rise in the first half from June the 30th, 2021 to January the 4th, 2022, the index fell 11.05% during the second half from the 30th of June 2022. However, Australian mining shares saw a different story and finished with significant gains. The ASX Mining Shares Materials segment constitutes nearly 22.5% of the All Ordinaries Index. These shares were mainly boosted by the steep rise in commodity prices during the fiscal year. So on this note, let's take a look at three ASX All Ordinaries mining shares that performed well in fiscal year 2022. First on the list is Core Lithium. Now, they're focused on discovering and exploring mineral deposits in the Northern Territory and South Australia. In 2022, the shares of Core Lithium have given a return of 306.4%. The share price of Core Lithium jumped mainly because of a significant surge in prices of lithium and copper and also uranium. This year, lithium carbonate recorded a year-on-year gain of over 430%. Demand for lithium rose primarily because of relaxations in COVID-19 restrictions, which boosted global electric vehicle manufacturing. Now, this morning, Core Lithium shares traded at 95 cents, up by 2.15%. The company stands with a market cap of around $1.61 billion. Next on the list is Argosy Minerals, an Australian company with a current 77.5% interest in the Rincon Lithium project in the Salta province, Argentina, with 100% interest in the Tonopah Lithium project in Nevada in the US. In fiscal year 2022, shares of Argosy Minerals have given a return of 260%. The share price rose primarily because of a sharp increase in lithium prices this year. Recently, the miner carried out an inspection at its flagship asset, Rincon project, as total works for the processing plant are near completion. Today, Argosy Minerals shares traded at 32 cents, down by 3.8%. The company has a market cap of around $440 million. Last on the list is Yancoal Australia. Now, Yancoal is a low-cost Australian coal producer in the global seaborne market, producing a mix of premium thermal, semi-soft coking and also high-quality thermal coals for export. In 2022, the shares of Yancoal have given a return of 172.4%. The coal prices hit record highs after Russia's Ukraine invasion. It impacted Yancoal and other ASX-listed coal share prices as well. Additionally, its share price received a major boost recently after the Coal Producers Independent Board Committee rejected the takeover bid from a coal mining company in mainland China called Yancoal Energy. Yancoal shares traded at $4.75, down by 0.21% today. The company stands with a market cap of around $6.28 billion. With that, we come to the end of this Buzzing Trend Show. We'll be back again tomorrow. Till then, stay tuned to Kalkine TV for all the latest insights and updates from the market. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.